Hey, what's up, familia? It's your boy back again. Another video, and today we're gonna be working on the 335 once again on baby girl Mia. We're gonna be putting on a front splitter and some side splitters or side skirts, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, let me show y'all what we got. Well, alright guys, yeehaw. Here's the front splitter, and there are the side splitters. So yeah, I'm about to be installing them right quick. And also, I'm gonna lower her more. And this time, we're going all the way down, boys. See if I can see it. Other way. Yeah, it's maxed out, so let's see how low we go. Yeehaw! Well, fat ticks, I tried putting on this front splitter, but as y'all can see, it's not I don't know, it's not one to fit right, so that's the best I could do. It's supposed to be sticking out, but it's like underneath, and I mean it sticks out on this side like flush. If I pull it up forward, it's this piece right here is gonna be like right here, so it's not wanting to line up. I'm gonna just leave this like this for now, and then I'm gonna let my boy tweak it because I don't want to cut it or nothing like that, so I'm just let him mess with that. Now I'm gonna put the side splitters on. Let's get it. Hey, okay. I got one on. Looks pretty freaking dope. Let's get it. Hey, it looks pretty dope though. Not gonna lie. That one actually lined up pretty good. Not bad at all. Check the other side. Check it out. It's not bad at all. So these are good. All right, time to put the other side now. All right, guys, so I just finished the other side. It's looking pretty fresh. Yes. Let's get it. Some fat man. Who's this? Man, what the? What's up, bro? What's up? Dap you up. My hands a little dirty. What up, cuz?
Somebody's happy to see you.
Yes, sir. Well, I installed these side skirts and the front splitter, but this thing ain't lining up. I just left it like that. But my boy over here got a new whip. What's up? What's up? They ready? They ready to see it?
I don't know.
Alright, let's show them. Nah, it's not this one. It's kind of messed up.
They gave it all brand. Look at the seat.
Yeah. Hey, bro, what happened to the? Here it is. Hey, my boy, man. My boy got a better car than me. He's still in high school. How's that work? Sheesh. Sheesh. Hey, this is dope, man. The G37. You're hella clean. How much you cop it for?
Can't say all that.
Alright. That's a secret. Okay. Well, pretty sure you pay like 10K or something like that. Because these things are, and it's manual. Trying to open the door.
Oh, yeah.
Show them the interior.
It's a little messy.
Let me turn up. Still and clean. Sheesh. Look at that. It's a manual. These are 6 speeds, right?
Yeah.
6 speed. So, yes sir. This thing hella clean. How it pull? Yeah, I bet so. This thing's like what? They got like 330 horsepower or something like that. Yes sir. But yeah, that's a new whip. What you gonna do to the Cobalt?
I don't know. Might turn into a project car.
Bet. Okay. Well, there she is. What's her name?
Leah.
Leah. Bet. Baby girl Leah. Looking like a piece of freaking candy. Okay. But yeah, they came so we can install a short shift on her. So once I get done with her, we'll do her. What up fam? So it's been a few days since I installed the splitters for baby girl Mia, the 335. I'm gonna just wrap up the video because I didn't wrap it up that day. So, and that day we didn't install my boy's short shift. So, oh well, it's cause it was getting late. So yeah, it's all good. But I'm about to do just a little cinematic of the splitters, so yo. Alright familia, so that's it for this video. I think I told y'all that I did lower her more, so she's looking way better now. I maxed out the fronts and the rears are almost maxed out but not quite, so it's looking evened out pretty good. Let me show y'all. Let's see, let me turn on the brightness up a little bit more. So these are maxed out, the fronts, and you know, she tucking a little tire, just a little bit, you know. So yeah, not too bad. She's looking good. In the rear, as y'all can see, she tucking a little bit too. I mean, they look about the same, you know. So she's looking pretty good, if you ask me. But yeah, that's it guys, that's it. Gonna have to do something about this front splitter because the way it came, it just doesn't work, it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to bring it up a little bit more and then cut it on the edges so this thing won't be like all the way over here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But other than that, that should be it for this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and your boy is out. Alright familia, peace.